We look at them every day, yet we don't think about why they exist. Many common things we see day to day has secret features that can do all sorts of cool things. Here are 25 everyday items you didn't know its actual cause. Have you ever found yourself wondering why keyboard letters are arranged the way they are? Originally, keys were arranged in alphabetical order in typewriters. But typing that way came so naturally to typists that they would end up typing too fast, and the key arms would get cross-wired and stuck. So, keyboard manufacturers had to randomize the order of keys to intentionally slow down typists to keep the machine running. Adding the buttons to the left of the shirt is an old tradition, carried over from a time when buttons represented one's social and financial status. If you owned buttons, chances are you were likely being dressed by a maid, and the buttons on your left were on her right when facing you. It seems pretty straightforward that these holes are there so you can hang your pots and pans. On the other hand, the true purpose of the hole on pan handles is to hold most stirring spoons. This way the spoon end hangs directly over the pot and minimizes the mess from cooking. With so much waste from poor packaging design, it's hard to understand why juice boxes have those folded flaps near the top of the box. As it turns out, these flaps are intentionally designed with small hands in mind. The flaps are meant to be folded outward so that a toddler can more easily hang onto their juice box without dropping it. Most people think that the extra bit of fabric that comes with your new clothes is to cover up patches if you ever ripped a hole. However, the real use is to test wash the little sample to check you won't accidentally shrink or damage your new item of clothing. That little hole on the lollipop sticks was specifically made for the sole purpose of making it very hard for the candy to come off of the stick and choke a kid. Many people think that those colored lines on the toothpaste tube is to identify what kind of toothpaste it is. But this is not true. In fact, they are merely the machine's eye mark to know where to cut the tube. You may have just thought that wooden coat hangers was simply a fancier version of a plastic or wire one. But they have an additional purpose. The wooden closet hangers are made using cedar wood, which is known to repel bugs and moths. These are the perfect hangers to use for heavy woolen clothing like jackets and coats that is prone to damage from insects. This one has two uses. The first is to hang the shirt up. The second was actually something that guys did a long time ago in early 1960s. Some guys would cut off the loops to indicate that they already had girlfriends. The arrow next to petrol gauge in cars signifies which side the fuel cap is on. This is to avoid parking on the wrong side at petrol stations. Did you know that if you turn on the airplane mode on your phone while it is charging, it charges much faster? The historical reason for this is rats were a common resident in many people's homes in the past, and one of their favorite snacks was paper. Applying wide margins to paper is to safeguard against losing important work by leaving blank spaces around the edges for the rats to chew through. The brushes on the sides of escalators aren't for polishing your shoes. These bristles are actually a big safety feature. These nylon bristles play with your mind and make you keep your feet away from the escalator's side panels, thereby avoiding accidents. These days they are mainly for decoration. However, back in the 18th century, French Marines would wear them to protect their heads from the low ceilings of ship cabins. Those studs aren't just some kind of fashion statement. The first pair of jeans were stitched for the workmen and miners who wore them, putting the pants under a lot of pressure. So, those little studs are there to strengthen the jeans at the spots that usually tear. That cute little pocket looks sweet, but who actually knows its purpose? Well, if you happen to be a Wild West cowboy or a gold miner, it's where you were supposed to keep your pocket watch when jeans were first invented. Have you ever had a problem getting out the right amount of ketchup from those glass ketchup jars? I think we all have. Did you know that if you tap on the spot 57 of the bottle, it is supposed to dispense the perfect amount of ketchup for your salty fries? Did you know that plastic cups lids have one additional purpose? They are made to be used as coasters too, but nobody bothered to tell you. The design of this delicious chocolate bar is more functional than aesthetic. This rich candy is not meant to be devoured all at once, but savored piece by piece. The pieces are in triangles, so that if you press on the end of one piece with your thumb toward the piece beneath, it will snap off easily and leave you with the perfect sized serving of delectable chocolate. If you think back to your early schooling, you will remember that F and J are home keys where your index fingers should rest for the most efficient typing. These raised bums were added to the keys to help your index fingers find their way back to the home position without having to take your eyes off the computer screen. We all know that the small silica gel packs are included with products to preserve freshness. But have you ever wondered how exactly this small sack of beads protects your product though? Silica gel is known as a desiccant, meaning that it tends to suck moisture out of its immediate environment. They can absorb humidity in an enclosed environment up to 50%, helping to keep anything nice and dry. The small opening at the bottom of the airplane window actually serves two purposes. First, it allows airflow to keep from too much pressure building in the plane as it rises in altitude. Second, it is a clever way to keep the windows from fogging up with all the warm breath of the passengers. Believe it or not, those clear plastic liners inside of the soda bottle caps are not solely intended for giving out free prizes and reward codes. Actually, they have a very specific function. The liner inside of the lid acts as a guaranteed seal to trap in the carbon dioxide to keep your drinks fizzy. Every plastic bottle also has a ring at the bottom of the cap for the same reason. Most of us grew up with the frustrating misinformation that the two-toned erasers allowed you to erase pen ink with one side. But this is not true. The red, blue, or gray end of a two-toned eraser allows you to erase pencil and graphite markings from different types of artist's paper that are more sensitive to friction and easily tear when a regular eraser is used on them. Many people thought the specific numbers on the cut corner of these Heinz sachets denoted the type of condiment in the packet. Finally, the truth came out from the manufacturer themselves that the number is simply to show what line the packet was manufactured on. So if an issue arises, they know which line to service. All these years, most of us don't know the reason for this design. Turns out, the zigzag side of the bobby pin is designed to grip onto the hair underneath, while the straight part of the pin holds the hair in place neatly. I know, we were doing this wrong so long. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.